I want you to use after 2 o'clock. You do your own thing. Okay. What's like babidi and no one ke babidi. Karlebo is calling you. Basepin. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, apologies for the stream today. It's terrible. I might even delete it. Yeah, it's terrible. And one of the reason for the terribleness of the stream, um, for the terribleness of the stream, it's coming because of I don't know what's happening with my network today. I can end the stream and restart it. I think it will look the same. My network is acting up overall today, but I can try that. End the stream, restart it. Come here, Booty. Why are you crying? Yeah? Telling I would beat her. Mm. So I'm hoping it will get better with time, because sometimes it gets better with time. So, um, yeah, Trump is speaking. So expect a volatile market. Yes, I went in on this 2 minutes with a look gap there, looking for lower prices. The first take profit can be that low. Also, 29400 can be a take profit to invalidate my overall trade. That would be above 29528. So, but if Trump is speaking, you are expecting a volatile market, and there was FOMC minutes. But from the FOMC minutes, nothing much came from it. We can discuss that over and over again, but yeah, I guess it's just being disciplined and waiting for me. I don't wanna play in extreme sport. You see how it is? It can literally change. So is Trump still speaking? Let me see. Oh, he has already started. The guy has not started speaking. Really? They said half past. Let's see. Okay, AP Life. Okay, let me see. Seems like he has not started. When he starts speaking, oh, the market. I don't like trading when Trump speaks. I'm even tempted to cut the trade, but I'm in already. They said half past, so it seems like he has not started speaking. Not even interested in watching his live stream. Yes, Booty. Huh? What? Wait a minute. Are you okay now? Mm. Yes. Huh? You want juice? Nene, give Booty juice. So, mm, sorry about that. I'm home with my kids, so it tends to be a very, very busy day. It tends to be hectic when my kids are still, um, yeah, still very active in the day. So Trump is gonna speak. Rest assured, we either gonna lose money or the market move to our direction. Um, like really, when Trump speaks, you're not gonna validate anything. Closely watching for the any updates in the news. The only thing that I've seen from the FOMC minutes that are of interest, the first one, Fed minutes, no decisions were made on the number of meetings, and Wash indicated no change to the 2026 schedule. A a few participants who favored raising rates at the meeting judged that doing so will likely help forestall the need for further hikes. So There is certain members in the FOMC that are in favor of increasing rates early to curb further increase towards the end of the year, maybe an early next year in the first quarter. One of the two. Thank you. So the last one, oh, there's nothing to do with that. Another one is US said to have tariffs on Canadian steel and aluminum in trade deal. US plans to cut tariffs on Canadian steel and aluminum by 50% as part of the proposed trade agreement. Different tariff rates could apply to certain metal derivative products. US Canada tariffs agreement has not yet been finalized. So on the news today, that's have been like that. That's it. I think the market will daily dally here and Trump says something stupid. The market is either gonna go up or go low. I would have loved for it to start being volatile while we are holding below this low here. That would be nice. Because if you break below there, I'll move my stop loss to break even, even aggressively to profit before Trump starts saying things. So while this trade is playing out, today I don't want to be long on the stream, to be honest. Uh, Long-term positioning for me, let's discuss that. We'll get back to this trade. I'll give you an update on it, come back to it. However, I've been British pound long. Hey, and there's something that happened in the market that really Arondak. So I've been long here. Uh, we seem to be rejecting now, but the 4-hour time frame still indicates that we have flipped bullish. So if that holds, and we're gonna look for continuation, let me do this in fact to make my life easy. So yesterday I spoke of de-risking as we break above, come back to close above. It did close, but now it's coming all the way back. If I want, I could literally. I'm not gonna de-risk here. I've entered very wrong. Let me see. Yeah, I've entered quite wrongly here. But anyway, I'm long GU. I mean, I'm long GBP CAD, which can go really south if gold start increasing in value. If we see gold going higher, that we can see if GBP CAD coming back to take out that low, or else we can still get good move to the upside. But to counter that, I'm also long GBP AUD. The British pound seems to be very bullish for now, but seems to be also it went up, failed to close above, and came back again. So I'm gonna hold it through. Um, I think I'm gonna hold it through. I'm not gonna panic. However, something to note is I was also short. Ooh, Bitcoin, ugly. Yes, didn't see this. I was also short Bitcoin. Look at that. Any news? Anything you know about the news of Bitcoin? Interesting. Any comment? Whoever knows about Bitcoin, please leave a comment. Yeah. I didn't follow that. I need to follow it up. So I traded Bitcoin for the first time in a while. Look at that. Good moves for Bitcoin, but bad for me. I've taken a loss there. I've taken two losses on US oil twice. It took me out twice. I'll also show. Ish. Za trader, thank you, brother. Don't worry, it's fine, man. I'm not positioned very hard, so if I take losses, it's fine with me because I'm not over leveraging on that account. But like the life, I've also taken another loss on this. Will pain me if it comes back lower again. This will pain me because already it's taken me out. Look, it's retracing lower. So I'm more interested to see what's gonna happen. And please, you need to pardon my stream, Menza, because of yeah. And another trade that it's a bit icky for me was AUDUSD. I tried to long again. Look how much points it missed my entry and went straight to take profit after that. I wanted to go long there. It missed and literally just went up. And this is like your prime market structure, trend lines kind of a stuff. And it just missed me and literally went back up, which is a bit icky and painful. And I know my stream is a bit shaky today. My life is um my thing it's a bit yeah, my stream is gonna be big. Bad, I apologize. I'm gonna lag a bit. So it went straight to take profit. That's one thing which is a bit icky for me. I need to start removing all these limits as well. Another one I was trying to another one I tried to short on that high, rejected, came all the way down. And I think this is as propelled by the recent news that the tariffs agreement between US and China. So it seems like the bears are still there, but now I am gonna move my focus. I'm just gonna use this entire move here. I'm gonna still look for shorts, but I'll monitor on the top on the H finder. What is it telling me? But I'm gonna consider shorts again somewhere there. Uh Again, this has left without me. I was considering shorts here, but look at that, it continued. Uh I missed a couple of trades, so and the DJPO, I'm gonna mark this and leave it here. GJ. Mm. Mm. What? What? Nini Jesus. Eh? Nini sells shoes. Eh? Sorry, guys. Again, we've seen here we've missed another trade. Come, Buti, what's wrong? Come tell Daddy, come. What's wrong? Oh God, I thought I was talking all along. I hate this. Sometimes you think you're talking and you're not. We're still bullish on these ones, eh? Yeah, we're still bullish. Everything remains. I don't have any changes in my biases. Just that I feel like I'm over positioned for. I feel like I'm over positioned for British pound now, and doesn't want to get a continuation and hold. But let's wait and see. Uh, right now I'm gonna look for that move here. So let's wait and see. British pound, can this hold again to look for longs there? We're gonna wait and see. But yeah, these are the thing that I have. And the last one that we can talk about, uh, oh, I've opened it. The last one that it's been aching me for a while. I'm long Ovative Inc., but this is a trade position. Ovative Inc. stop loss below the low. This is a stock, by the way. Why is it happening now? Um, so far I'm up 0.9%, which is not so good. And I'm also positioned long um Onyek Inc. Retesting this support. You could have went in here, but I chose to went in looking for continuation. In fact, I had a buy limit. I thought maybe if it comes down, it's gonna trigger me. Unfortunately, it went up, triggered me, and came back down. These are the two positions. Another position that I'm watching closely was uh Synchrony Financials. I'm just still contemplating on going long. I'm gonna still decide because the other, oh, I need to go long. The other day it was at that high, now it seems back to be back there. I can go long, like literally positioned decently enough for. To be honest, okay. Imagine I need to deposit more money here. Another one is cat. Oh, look at cat. Oh, look at cat. Yeah, cat is looking good, and this is a move that I was hoping for. That I'll go long there and that, but I was hoping that maybe it can come deeper to use a move like that, but that didn't happen. It's fine. And today, something that I need to say, I re-entered my second position today. Am I triggered? Quickly confirm on my broker statement on my long-term positioning. So I'm piling up. What do you call this? I'm piling up QQQ. So QQQ is more like trading Nasdaq, but this is long-term positioning. I'm hoping to hold this like for a while now. So I'm positioned again on QQQ. I think this will be my second entry there. I hope I'm in. Let me see. I'm gonna just see if we are decently in. Okay, hold on for me. Just checking on my broker here. Oh, yep. I am in for the second position. So overall, I'm in two positions. So the second entry will be here. I'm just marking my second entry on QQQ, and then we can go back to day trading. So in other words, basically in other words, come on. In other words, I'm dollar averaging QQQ on Nasdaq. So on the rebound, I went in again here. I went in again today, just slightly above here. Here we go. I went in again, so I have two position. If it comes back to 635, I'm gonna enter, but I'm happy with these two positions. So I'm gonna see where it goes. Again, oh, if April closes like this, I am gonna look to enter another position, but it failed to close above. So if it closed above, and I've discussed this on our previous lives, to say if April closes above $314 per share, I'm gonna look to long it like that. De-risk this low, this one slower, and because my overall target near term is $350 per share on Apple. So I'm just waiting. For now, I'm up 3.9% on Apple. So back to day trading, ladies and gentlemen. Let's look at day trading. Let's go. I hate myself if this gave me a move to break even and I was not even looking. It has not given us. Okay. It's still quite a slow and steady movement. I'll have. Oh, what time is Trump speaking? Let me see if Trump is back again. It's already live. S&P 500 should be coming out fast harder than the rest. And Trump is speaking on tech, so Nasdaq and S&P 500 will be affected. By the way, Trump is speaking on tech, so something to note. So Trump speaks at a meeting with tech leaders, so that might really affect S&P 500 and Nasdaq. Okay, the thing is live, but they don't seem to be talking as yet. Yeah, Trump has not started talking. Do we move to break even? Not even gonna watch this thing. I'm just gonna look at the updates on here as he speaks. But really, we might very get an aggressive move down. Today we are up 0.04%. If already on break even, possible I'll have moved. If already that low, I'll literally move to break even and then allow Trump to say whatever he's gonna say. However, right now I don't even know what Trump will say. And he has a tendency of favoring tech. He will say a lot of good. So here's my prediction, not predictions, but here what I think. Trump being Trump, he'll say positive things about the tech sector, and you'll see Nasdaq and S&P 500 pushing higher because it's about to start either way. So let's see how my trade unfolds. Oh God, Be right back now. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll be back. I think I'll let the stream go. I'll also be observing an urgent thing that I need to attend to. Let's see how the Trump talks do to the market. My thing is it might go high. It might go quite high. So let's see. It might go high, but let's see what Trump says. Unless the market will think Trump is bluffing. So It's back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. Seem to be exactly where we were. Seem to be where we were exactly. Ladies and gentlemen, I might call it a day here. I'm gonna just observe this trade from the stream. I mean, we'll observe the trade from outside. Just observe. I'm gonna call it a day here. Uh, what have they said that is interesting so far? That is interesting so far. Nothing yet. On China, President Xi Jinping will probably talk about AI. That didn't really say much to the market. US Canada trade expected to cut top line US tariffs. That didn't do much movement. Wow. Israel will begin producing smart bombs for fighter jets. Wow. Israel to establish um, production lines for smart bombs. Iran Central Bank Governor Hamad, we propose to the creation of a financial corridor within BRICS. This initiative will help advance the country's economy. Okay. So far, it seemed to be all about Iran and the tariffs. So far, nothing that was said that has scared the market yet or that has spooked the market. He is live. So if you want to watch him speak nonsense live, you can go to YouTube. He's there talking. Yeah. Just don't have time to be watching him. Just going to be observing the news here. Anything that he will spook the market on, I'll observe it on the top. But anyway, that's Trump for us. So feel like I have to call in the day early. I'm gonna call it a stream, the end of the stream here. And that, let's observe the trade. If you've taken it, nice for you. Good luck. I don't know what's gonna happen. One thing I can advise you, if you wanna cut it short here, you can cut it short. Trump tends to say a lot of things that are not that are pro markets, and that will force the market to go higher. He's always pro market, so just take note of that. So just take note of that, and there's a possibility that he will say something like that. So this trade can go dismally south. I was hoping for it to retest the previous daily low or these lows. I'll have moved to break even already, and so far has not said anything. And you see that the market is pushing higher. So wait and watch, I guess. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day. Toodles.